cook some garlic mashed sweet potatoes. We're gonna do a veggie slash snack tray with like a herb garlic dip. And then we are gonna do some wine poached pears with whipped cream, of course. Sweet potatoes are fabulous for vitamin A, vitamin C, and of course you get a lot of fiber, more if you use the skin. So garlic too has some great cardiac benefits. All right, so let me get that all situated. All right, and then what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna need about half cup of milk. This was 1% milk. You can really use whatever your preference is, but this is what the recipe called for, so we're gonna use that. And you wanna use about a half cup of sour cream. This is full fat. I feel like you get more flavor with full fat sour cream. So I do a lot of times use full fat sour cream. You do get more calcium. I wouldn't say, let's say you're making a dish like that, there's not gonna be a huge difference in calories between the full fat and the non-fat or low fat. So it's okay to use the more flavorful one. Saturated fat is something that you should probably watch a little bit. And I used real butter. I did not use any butter product, butter-y product. This was real butter. Some of those items have the hydrogenated fats in them, which we want to avoid. The other thing is you just get so much flavor with real butter that it's just not worth it to use a butter spread or some of those other products. This smells really good and it's a big hit too, let me tell you. People really enjoy these. We always have a lot of garlic mashed potatoes, which is fine. Those tend to be pretty heavy sometimes. This is kind of a lighter dish and it's a lot of flavor, just a little bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and make the veggie dip. This is an herb dip. I like to use dill, but you could really mix it up, whatever herbs you have on hand. Basil would be fantastic with this. I'm gonna use a cup and a half of Greek yogurt. This is the non-fat Greek yogurt, but again, whatever your preference is, you can use that. Greek yogurt is an excellent way to get calcium and vitamin D, which a lot of us lack in our diet. And when you use the full fat dairy products, you actually get a little bit more calcium, which is a plus. Now, not everybody can eat dairy, and I understand that. And so you can always use alternative forms of yogurts and all that sort of thing to make this dip. It still tastes delicious. This dip is so delicious. I used it this weekend and the bowl was clean. And it was the kids that were eating the dip. So if that tells you anything. So this is a great way to add more produce at your party. Fruit desserts are perfect for the holidays. This is a really easy one that I made in the crock pot, and you could do this on the stove, crock pot, whatever your wish. There's tons of recipes out there for how to do this, and it smells like winter. It smells delicious. Your house is gonna smell fantastic when you make this. I've also made some whipped cream. You could do whipped coconut cream if you are avoiding dairy. That's it, you're done. Easy dessert, it smells delicious. You get your a fruit and your house smells wonderful. And it's just like Christmas. Voila.